Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting Mongodb. Install the server or choose Atlas, then launch Mongodb or obtain the cluster URI. Once done, open Mongosh and authenticate with your user credentials. Now switch to the database context with Use My Database to create a namespace. MongoDB creates the database when you insert data or define a collection. Make sure to set proper roles for your user so you can create collections and write documents without permission errors. You now structure the database by creating collections and indexes. If you need specific options, run db. Create collection, users, validator. Otherwise, insert a document and MongoDB will create the collection automatically. Once collections exist, seed them using insert one or insert many to ensure storage allocation. Next, add indexes. Create index on frequently queried fields and unique indexes for constraints. These improve read performance and enforce data rules. Make sure to monitor index sizes versus query benefits to avoid wasted. You finish by validating and securing the database. Run show dbs and db stats to confirm data presence and storage metrics. If using replica sets, check rs status for health. Implement backups with Mongodb or Atlas snapshot schedules and practice restores on a development server. If something goes wrong, inspect the Mongodb log files, verify the connection string and user roles, and ensure ports and network rules permit access. One key tip: authentication and network rules are the most common.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.